Namaste friends, hope all of you are good. What I tell you today from my experience, I want to tell you about debt trap, the loan problem. Actually, if there is no emergency, one should not take so much heavy loan beyond your expenditure, beyond your income. Especially credit card loan is very, very dangerous. You must avoid to take credit card loan. And it would be peace and harmony if there would not be any loan in your life. That's why what I am suggesting you not to take any kind of loan, whatever. You can wait, you can adopt some other method to get the necessity of your life. But you shouldn't take so much heavy loan in your life. It is quite dangerous because heavy interest or penalty or check-bound charges and other late fine and other charges make your life very, very hell and miserable. And I hope you will listen it and you will realize the fact of dangerous loan amount, and taking the loan is so much dangerous. And whatever experience I have, I am sharing it. I hope you are living well and you are enjoying this beautiful picture from Assam. You can enjoy it whenever you come to Assam. You will get the taste of such beautiful scenery. Thank you.